Welcome. You're watching ARH's How-To video series. In this video, you'll get familiar with the adaptive light control function of ARH ID readers. The adaptive light control feature compensates for external light interference and makes operation routine independent of the environment. As a result, it guarantees good quality imaging. Furthermore, an image with solid brightness is crucial for reliable authentication results. Next, you'll see how to use it in the full-page reader application. Please note that you can set adaptive light control via API. In the full-page reader, under the Options tab, open the Capture Vertical tab. You can enable or disable adaptive light control here for each image option. Let's leave adaptive light control switched off and make a scan. Double-click on the thumbnail on the top to view the images. As you can see, the external light causes overexposure on the image. It has an impact on authentication results. In the Summary tab, the general status and security paper check results are undetermined. I now save the images, so later we can compare the results. Let's switch adaptive light control on and scan the ID card again. The image quality is flawless now. There are no flares. In the Summary tab, you can see that the general status and the security paper check status is now passed. I save these images as well. As you can see on the right, adaptive light control helps to make high-quality image irregardless of external light conditions. This function is very useful for coverless kiosk models. Thanks for watching. For staying updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel.